Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start our grammar topic. The first one, which is in your syllabus, sentence. What is a sentence? First of all, we'll talk about what is sentence. Sentence is group of words. Group of words means like I am saying that I, teacher, am, is, or a. So I have given you a group of words. I am a teacher. Or I must say I am a teacher is. So here you will say no ma'am, the sentence is not correct. Its sequence is wrong, and with I you will use am, not is. Am I right? Yes or no? So I have given you a group of words which is sequenced. I am a teacher is a sentence where is not required. So keep this in mind that a sentence is a group of words having meaning, or you can say a meaningful group of words is a sentence. Okay, now here learning text. Look at these pictures and read the following sentences. First one is, show me your book. Like when I enter in the class, what I say, good morning to all of you. Take out your notebooks and start reading, or take out all your notebooks, we will start chapter. Okay, so these are sentences. I'm talking to you, I'm telling you these are sentences, whether in Hindi or in English. Okay, this is my car. And the next one is, the washerman is washing clothes. In Hindi also, when you talk in sentences, in Hindi we call it vakya. Okay, so first, show me your car. This, show me your book. This is my car. The washerman is washing clothes. Each of these groups of words make complete sense. Each of them is a sentence. If I say your book me show, this is not correct, it's wrong. Car, this is my, this is also wrong. So this is properly sequenced. This is my car. Now keep in mind that we have done earlier subject and predicate. Okay. Here is the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words in proper order that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. There is some rules. First of all, a sentence always begins with a capital letter, and a sentence which is telling the rule is a sentence itself, and it is beginning with a capital letter A. A sentence. Next one is, a sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. These are the punctuation mark which is necessary to add to show that here full stop shows that question or the sentence is ending here. Question mark shows that it is not a simple sentence, it is questioning sentence which is asked, which you have to give answer. Okay, which is a question itself, or exclamation showing expressions. So whenever you write a sentence, don't forget to put a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark as per the sentence rule. Sometimes it happens that you used to write but forget to mark the punctuation mark. For ma'am, because this is ma'am's work, ma'am will mark the punctuation. Okay, so this is not ma'am's work, this should be in your habit. Read the following groups of words: barks, dogs, strangers, at. Now this is not in a proper sequence. Is good health for milk? Milk is good for health or health is good for milk? What should be the subject? Why novel reading horror you are? A. Pleasant or what weather? What can be answer? Sentence number 1. Dogs bark at strangers. Next one is milk is good for health. Next one is why you are reading a horror novel. And next, in third one, you will put a question mark. It is beginning with Y, and WHY is question word. It belong to WH family. It is used in interrogative sentence that we will discuss later on. Pleasant or what weather? What are pleasant weather? Here is the answer which is not here, which is not clear. You can see at last what are pleasant weather. Now they have become meaningful, therefore they can be called sentences. They have become like what we have solved. Okay, so we can call them sentences, but before their sequence in a proper order, these you cannot call sentence. Can you call it sentence? Barks, dogs, stranger ate? These are not sentences. When you solve it, rearrange them, then it becomes sentences. Now see, now they have become meaningful. Now exercise A. Rewrite the following group of words as sentences using capital letters and punctuation marks appropriately. Okay. Is sunny it today? According to question mark, if we do, it is question mark, then we will begin with the helping verb is. Is it sunny today? Is I capital. Is it sunny today? In 7 there are days a week. So we will start with there. There are 7 days in a week. Sentence number 2 we have solved. Next, what are it beautiful is creature. In second sentence we will put a full stop. What are it beautiful is creature. What a beautiful creature it is. Exclamation mark. What a beautiful creature it is. It is just like you will say now, oh wow, what a car. Oh wow, what a picture. So these shows such type of expression. Fourth, love to go to the library. Here it is I. Love to go I to the library. I love to go to the library. You love to go to library? Yes or not? Whenever you go, I have seen that you enjoy the storybooks and you are not going to read them many a time. You only enjoy watching the pictures, the colorful pictures. Am I right or not? Okay, next 5. A week I play basketball twice. A week I play basketball twice. So I will begin with I. I play basketballs twice a day. I should be in capital. I play basketball twice a week. Full stop. Afraid am of I not darkness. I am not afraid of darkness. I am not afraid of darkness. Do you? I am not. Next, 7th is has the 7 rainbow colors. Has the 7 rainbow colors. The rainbow has 7 colors. Answer is the rainbow has 7 colors. Full stop. Add suitable words to the following groups of words to make appropriate sentence. Add suitable words to the following groups of words to make appropriate sentence. You need to add here like blank my school. I love my school. Next, do you love fruits? Do you love fruits? Okay. Third, the teacher is in the classroom, or else can be in the classroom. The student is in the classroom, or the principal is in the classroom. We will just send principal to the classroom to check. Okay, don't laugh on this. Next, a glass of water. Do you want a glass of water? Next one is, grandfather is very nice. Okay. Now 6, what is good for health except of milk? What is good except of milk? Vegetable. Vegetable will be single, so we will not write vegetable. This is. So now think except of milk what you can write. Apple is good for health, you can write. The book is, what will come? The book is interesting. Okay, or beautiful. Now the next exercise, here this is not clear. Whichever group writes without a mistake and speaks well will get plus 1 point extra at the score to get the winner. Here it is a game. You play it yourself, okay, and you have to write the words here. Now coming to the fun corner. The following is a story. The teacher will name one student and ask the student to read the story. When the teacher claps, the next student will read from where the previous student has left. Repeat as necessary. Why repeat? If the story will complete and the students will not have their chance, then in that condition you will repeat. So now for the story, what will you do? You will read it and only do a little favor to me, that whenever you read the story, you just take care whenever the sentence is beginning, a new sentence is beginning, whether it is in capital or not. Okay, and you will underline that capital letter, the first one, when the sentence is starting. Only this you need to do, and you will do the reading of story also. Okay, then later on I will ask questions from you, or if I give you 5 questions in oral, then you will find out the answer while reading the story. Like, what is the name of little pig? Why is he unhappy? What did he decide? Okay, 3 questions I have given to you, and then you will find out 2 verbs from the paragraph, and of course antonym of many. Just write down the answer of these 5 easy questions, and then we'll talk about, or you can mention some more character except of pig in the story. Okay, read it. Now here again an interview. Now see, these bubbles are here. Here are 2 students, they are talking to each other, means they are they are giving introduction to each other. This is their introductory session during an interview, and you can do this with your partner, with your sibling. Okay, what is your name? My name is this. Like, you are asking me what is your name, then I am saying my name is Vinita. Where do you live? I live at Rohini. When is your birthday? Are you planning to celebrate it? It is on, I will say it is on 27th October. Yes, I will surely celebrate it and invite you too. Okay, so this is the way when I am asking the birthday, I am asking for the celebrations, and for my side, you all are invited on my party. So come at my home on 27th of October. Okay, now the chapter is going. close here. Don't forget to do the homework. Don't forget to fill the blanks and also write down the answer of the simple questions, okay, that I have given to you. Then in the next class I will ask you about the reading of the words that you have done. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.